Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Glow and I'm back at it again. Ooh, focus camera, focus. Anyways, I'm back at it again with a new tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on this wig that I'm wearing right now. This wig is from KlaiyiHair. I've worked with them plenty of times on my channel and I'm very familiar with their quality. Very affordable. Matter of fact, this wig is very affordable. I'm excited to tell you guys about it, so let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, this wig is from KlaiyiHair and this is a 13x4 lace front wig. This is like their best quality human hair wig. It's a lace front, 13x4. It's 150% density and this is a 14 inch. But I wanted to go for a more mature, classy look and this bob was perfect for it. It's super silky, really soft, and this wig is also very affordable. I did install it, which you guys would see in the video. Super quick and easy in how I styled it. You guys already know with all my wigs, bobs and straight wigs, I always have to get 150% density because I feel like it looks natural. It looks the best when it comes to like straight hair and bobs. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, make sure to check out KlaiyiHair. I will have all the links down below, the link to the wig, to the store, everything you guys need to know. They also having Black Friday sales coming up. You guys already know. Take advantage of the sale. It's already affordable. With the sale, it's gonna be like real cheap. So go ahead, go crazy. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix it
all of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.